automated email reminders with Python.
Tired of missing important tasks? Python can help you send automated email reminders for your personal to-dos. In this video, learn the basics of using Python to schedule and send reminders straight to your inbox, making task management simple and efficient.
Required tools and libraries.
Getting started is easy. You'll need Python installed on your computer. We'll use two main libraries, SMTPLIB for sending emails and Schedule for setting up when they go out. Both libraries are well documented and beginner-friendly. You'll also need access to an email account, such as Gmail or Outlook, for sending the messages.
Writing the email sending function.
Start by creating a function to send emails. Use the SMTPLIB library to log into your email account and compose a simple message. Make sure to securely handle your email login credentials, such as by storing them in environment variables or a separate configuration file to keep your account safe.
Scheduling reminders.
Automate your reminders with the Schedule library. Define what times or intervals you want your reminders sent, daily, weekly, or at specific times. With just a few lines of code, you can combine your email sending function and the schedule to send alerts right when you need them.
Tips for safe and effective use.
Remember to use secure app passwords and enable two-factor authentication for your email account. Review your code to avoid sending too many messages, which might trigger email provider limits. Test your reminder system with yourself before using it for important tasks to ensure it works smoothly.